Hello everyone, welcome to Gosport Railworks. My name is James, and first of all I hope everyone's been well, because I've been suffering from a cold because of all the cold weather and raining when I'm cycling to work. So I do sound a bit off at the moment, so first of all apologies for that. And I hope everyone is well. And I want to show you the new 3D printer which I managed to buy. If you remember, I am trying to buy myself a new camera, which costs about £700, but I managed to get a bit of money stored up to get myself a new 3D printer, because I did want to buy myself a new 3D printer as well, because this one is a resin printer. Well, my Ender 3, which I've moved upstairs because I haven't got enough space on this table, it still works, it's all set up, it's just uncalibrated because I moved it. But I decided to get myself a I've tried pronouncing that first word. I'm going to give up before even trying anymore. But I bought myself a Mars 2 and also the Mercury Plus, which is the cleaning and curing system. But I bought myself a Mars 2 because I did want to get a resin printer so I can do my own models at home. And I've had a go at it. I say a go because my first time I didn't quite set it up all that well, and I was meant to be printing off the test print, which is 2 chess pieces, 2 rooks, and it printed 2 little discs about an inch wide, and that's as far as it got. Even though the thing was raising up out of the resin, it didn't print any further than that because it's got a slight error in it, I think, but I have hopefully I've sorted it out now. But since that first print, I've been a bit hesitant trying to print it again. So and I've also been trying to print off anything else because, unlike the filament which I use for the Ender 3, the resin for this does, even though this is water-based and it's meant to be low odour, it still affects my lungs a bit, so I'm waiting for a nicer day to leave the window open so I can use the resin in there. I bought myself some black resin because I figured that would save me time, or at least make the spray painting of black things black, looking a bit more neater. But it's a nice little system. I won't be able to say the top off because I need 2 hands for that and I'm holding the camera, but to say the system's turned on, when it loads up, there we go, it does a beep, and that's more or less as loud as it's going to be. It is a bit more louder when the whole thing is running. I just had to do a little cut there because somebody wanted to ask me something, so yes, but here's the print thing, so you can print, but I haven't got the the USB stick in, so that won't show anything. We've got the system, all these sorting out things, touchscreen calibration, all that lot, but we're going to sort out that. We use tools. That's manual, I think, well, first of all it's set to 0, then manual, and all the other things. It is in the actual manual, booklet itself, but so I think there's a slight error with this because it doesn't quite detect 0 properly. I have had to do it a very ad hoc way, but it seems to have worked, and well, from what I can tell from just trying to set it up, it seems to have worked properly, but I won't know for sure till I print anything. And like I said, I've been very reluctant using it again, but I will have to use it again for when I print off a model which I have been working on in 3D. So hopefully I can get it working properly. If not, I'm going to have to pay for something, pay Shapeways again. But that's pretty much it for now. I haven't played with this yet because I haven't successfully printed anything yet, but hopefully it'll work. And I was planning to show the results, but like I said, the weather's not been nice enough to leave a window open, and the resin acts up with my asthma a little bit, only very slightly. It's it may just be because I've got a cold at the moment, so I don't really want to aggro that while I'm trying to recover from that. So yes, I will sew at printing something, but unfortunately it won't be today. Anyway, that's pretty much it really. It's only going to be a short video because I just want to save that. So yeah, so something train related. Here you go, here's a train. And also a nice picture of trains. Anyway, hope everyone enjoys the day, and if anybody's unwell like me, I hope you recover and get well soon too. So I'm going to go there and probably get something to eat and have a nap. So yeah, take care everyone. See you again next time. Bye bye now.